Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix can't turn on/off real-time protection Windows 11. Let's go start. Press the Windows key, type Registry Editor, select and click on Registry Editor. Go to HKey Local Machine. Software. Scroll down and click Policies. Click Microsoft. Then click Windows Defender. Under Windows Defender option, go to Real-Time Protection. Select and go to right side. Disable Behavior Monitoring, disable Real-Time Monitoring, and disable Scan on Real-Time Enable. So here, do the deleted find out everything? Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Close the windows. Press the Windows key, type Group Policy, select Edit Group Policy, and click to open New Interface. Go to Computer Configuration under Administrative Templates. Windows Components. Scroll down. Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Under Microsoft Defender Antivirus option, go to the Real-Time Protection settings. Go to the right side. Turn off Real-Time Protection and turn on Behavior Monitoring. Double-click on Turn off Real-Time Protection, select Not Configured and click Apply, then OK. Right side, all configurations must be not configured, select Apply, click. Close. Press the Windows plus R keys on your keyboard. Type in services.msc and press the Enter key on your keyboard. In Services, scroll down and locate the Security Center service. You have to right-click or double-click on this service and select Start. Also, set its startup type to Automatic. Click Apply and OK. Close the window. Press the Windows plus I keys on your keyboard. This is going to bring up the settings. Go to Windows Update. And then click Check for updates to see if any updates are available. So select Download and Install to apply them. After install completed, then close Windows. Restart your PC. After restart, check your real-time protection settings on off. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow, and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.